Before starting any work, check that the surface is flat, firmly fixed and clean of any dust, dirt-curing compounds and other barrier materials. Our substrate is 19mm fibre cement sheet. Ensure that your substrate is thoroughly cleaned before you prime. Before priming, ensure the surfaces are dry with no residue or permanent damp. Apply the primer to all floor and wall surfaces. Once applied, allow 30 minutes to fully dry prior to the application of subsequent products.